We're going to go on to our third example. We're going to solve for theta, where theta is between 0 and 360, under the condition that tan theta is equal to root 3. So just to have a brief conversation about tan theta can be a little bit slippery, and it can be defined in three different ways. Whenever an object can be defined in different ways, it is important that you understand each way. Generally, once you understand all three definitions, it clears up things dramatically. So we can look at tan theta is equal to the y-coordinate divided by my x-coordinate. Another way we can look at it is tan theta is equal to my sine theta divided by my cosine theta. Or tan theta, since it's y over x, tan theta can be thought of as the slope of the terminal arm. So we constructed that table from previous lessons from 0 to 360 of sine theta, cosine theta, and tan theta. So we should have these values that reoccur all the time. So tan theta of tan of 30 degrees is equal to 1 over root 3. Tan of 45 degrees is 1. Tan of 60 degrees is root 3. I'm just going to perhaps have a brief conversation before we go on solving this equation. Tan theta is equal to the slope of the terminal arm is a very important concept. So I think if you understand this, you understand what the tan of 0 degrees is. In other words, what is the slope of what is the slope of your terminal arm as it passes through 0 degrees? Well, the slope of the pink line is 0. There is no rise, but there is run. Also, if I ask what is the slope of a terminal arm that terminates at 90 degrees, in other words, what's the slope of that green line, you would tell me that that slope, I'm hoping, well, that's a vertical line. We have a rise of 1, a run of 0. So our slope would be 1 over 0, and anything divided by 0 is undefined. So the slope of that terminal arm is undefined, so the tangent of 90 degrees is undefined. Same argument can be made for 270. So right now on the unit circle, without really having to address new content, from grade 10, you should be able to, from your grade 10 course, you should be able to tell me that the tangent of 0 degrees is 0, the tangent of 180 is 0, the tangent of 360 is 0, because those terminal arms are going to have a slope of 0. Also, the tangent of 90 degrees is undefined, it's a vertical line. The tangent of 270 is also going to be undefined. So right now we know the tangent of those 5 angles. Also, I just want to maybe move this pink line there, right there. The tangent of 45, and also incidentally 225, what is the slope of that line? Well, what we see is our rise and our run is the same number, 1 over root 2. Well, 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2 is going to be 1. So the tangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1. So really, we know the tangent of many of the angles through grade 10 mathematics. Now, the tangent of 30 degrees, I guess we're going to have to almost memorize that, and that's 1 over root 3. The tangent of 60 degrees is root 3. You may want to memorize these values. I don't think it's particularly difficult because there's only 2 of them, and one is the reciprocal of the other. So let's address this question. I'll zero out this pink line. Put it right there so it doesn't help us. Solve for theta, where theta is between 0 and 360, where tan theta is equal to root 3. So tangent is positive. Where is the slope equal to root 3? Well, that is going to be here at 60 degrees. It is important to note that tangent also is positive, our slope also has positive, when our terminal arm is in quadrant 3. So that pink line has an overall positive slope. So from this, by the way, notice how that's exactly 180 degrees away from each other. So my solution is 60 degrees and 240.